Good evening all. Am I audible? Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Those of you are live. Hello. Let me just check whether the audio video is clear. Yes. So welcome all. Please invite all your friends. This session is not only for physical science students. Anyone who is preparing for general aptitude, this question discussion will be very useful because aptitude section is common for all science streams. The questions I am taking will be from the memory based question paper or memory based question students have sent of the last physics question, physical science CSIR NET exam. And yeah, today this is a second free session. Today 2 p.m. we had the 100 practice question discussion session in Unacademy special class platform. So I think many people are not aware of the second session. So please invite all of you. More people are joining now only. So we will wait for 1 minute. And by that time, informing all of you the new plus courses we have started. 2 p.m. we have starting a course from tomorrow, and 8:30 a.m. the complete course has started. More about it towards the end of the class, end of the session, I will let you know. Okay, invite all your friends so that more people can join. Audio video perfect now. And how many of you are of the physics stream? If you are of the physics stream, please send more questions in the chat, then we will discuss more. As of now, I have got about 6 questions only from students. That 6 questions I am discussing first. But you can post the questions that you remember in the chat. Students told that there is a Venn diagram question. What was the objects in that question? Please post so that we can add that as the extra question, one more question. That means like every paper had a Venn diagram based question, like objects are given, we need to identify which Venn diagram it is. In the mathematical science paper, it was food, vegetables, ice cream, roots. Similarly, there was a question in physical science also. Do anyone remember which was that question? If so, please post it in the chat. What were the 4 objects? Please mention. Today's classes, physical science paper analysis. Samriti. Okay, so this is the first question we are discussing. All of you try. And disclaimer, these are memory based questions. That means students memorize these questions, and they have sent an idea of the question. That is what we are discussing. So exact question may have slight changes from this. So try करिए सारा ये क्वेश्चन सारा all of you try this. ये सेम टाइप का एक क्वेश्चन मैथमेटिकल साइंस पेपर में भी आया था. वहां पे प्रोडक्ट के जगह सम था. Here it is product. So all of you make a try, and those of you remember questions, please post it in the chat. Okay, that was in the physical science paper. Okay, I thought that was in the life science paper. Sugyani, you are from physical science, right? Player, graduate, male cricketer, female footballer. Okay, that question I have. Then I will discuss that also. Okay, nature Preet. Okay, that question we will discuss. All of you try this first. I'm giving you 1.5 minutes to try. Yeah, I will give a timer also so that there is a order. Starting the timer, post your answer, whatever you are getting. If you haven't tried this question, you can try now. That is why I am giving time. Any answers? Please try it fast. So I think I will start explaining. If there is a 4-digit ATM pin such that the last digit is 0 and the third digit is the product of first 2 digits, then how many such pins are possible? Normally in India, ATM pins are of 4 digits, but here it is a 4-digit pin itself. There was another question where 3-digit only was there in mathematical science. Here it is 4-digit itself, but last digit is fixed as 0. That we cannot change. That is fixed. That means in effect we are allowed only 3 digits to change. Last digit is already fixed, means that digit does not exist. That way also you can consider, because the possibility are only upon these 3 digits only. So some of you got 190. Let's see whether it is correct. Let's see. So here, first digit let it be x, second digit let it be y, then third digit should be x into y. That is what the question is saying now. Third digit should be x into y. Lekin ye x into y should be 1 digit number. It cannot be 2 digit like 10, 11, 12. वो सब possible नहीं है. x into y क्या क्या possible है? 0 हो सकता है, 1 हो सकता है, 2 हो सकता है, 3 हो सकता है, 4 हो सकता है, 5 हो सकता है, 6 हो सकता है, 7, 8, 9. So ऐसा 10 possibilities है. उसके लिए x and y, which all are the possibilities for x and y for this x into y to occur? That is what we need to check. That is the faster way to do it. There is another way. If you are not understanding this method, I will show with that method. But before that, look at this. Find x into y and accordingly find xy possibility. That is what I am telling you now. Another possibility is find x and y and find possibilities of x into y. That is little more time consuming. This is little more logical, but it will take some time to understand. So listen very carefully. ये 0 प्रोडक्ट मिलने के लिए फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स क्या क्या पॉसिबल है? 1 0 पॉसिबल है, 0 1 पॉसिबल है ना. मतलब 1 0 0 0 is a possible ATM pin. 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 that is another pin. Both are different. 1 0 0 1 same नहीं है. In the case of ATM pin, both are different. Like if your ATM pin is 1 0 0 0, if you enter 0 1 0 0, you will not be allowed to get money. So definitely 1 0 1 into 0 0 होगा, 0 into 1 भी 0 होगा. मतलब 2 possibilities है फर्स्ट केस का. 0 मिलने का 2 possibilities. Are you all understanding? 0 मिलने का 2 possibilities है. Please respond. अभी 1 मिलने का क्या क्या possibilities है? 1 and 1 is the only possibility to get 1 na. 1 and 1. There is no other possibility. So only one possibility. 2 मिलने का क्या क्या possibilities है? 1 into 2, 2 into 1. There is no other possibility to get 2 na. So there is 2 possibilities for 2 also. 3 मिलने का 1 into 3, 3 into 1. Because 3's factors are only 1 and 3. 3 is a prime number na. That is why prime number है तो सिर्फ 2 factors होगा. Composite numbers है तो factors increase होगा. 4 है तो prime number composite number का idea clear है तो you can do this faster. 4 have 3 factors na. 1 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 2 is also a factor. So all the combinations are possible. 3 things there is 1 2, 2 4, 1 4. 3 possibility. Sorry, not 2 4. 1 4 4 1 2 2. Sorry. 1 4 4 1 2 2. 1 into 4, 4 into 1, 2 into 2. That is 3 possibilities for 3 of 4 to be the last digit. Are you all understanding what I am saying? 5 ka kitna possibility hai? 5 prime number hai, so 2 possibilities only. 1 5 5 1. 6 is a composite number. 6 ka factors kya hai? 1 2 3 6. So 1 into 6 is a possibility, 6 into 1 is a possibility, 2 into 3 is a possibility, 3 into 2 is a possibility. That is 4 possibilities. 7 prime number has only 2 possibilities. 8 1 8 2 4. So 1 into 8, 2 into 4. 8 into 1, 4 into 2. So 4 possibilities. Finally 9. Be careful. 1 3 9 are the possibilities. 1 into 9, 9 into 1, 3 into 3. So 3 possibilities. So add all these possibilities, that many ATM pins you can form. 2 plus 1 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, 16, 18, 22, 25. Did I miss any possibilities? Please check. 0 0 1 0 0 0. Sorry, there is one more. 0 0 is also possible, na? 0 0 is also possible. So here 3 is there. So 26 coming. Just check if there is any other missing. 0 2. Yes. Sorry. That is a big mistake I have done. 0 have many other possibilities. 0 have many other possibilities. Other numbers are okay, but 0 ka और भी possibilities है. क्योंकि 0 का possibility, listen carefully, there is 19 possibilities for 0. 19 possibilities. How? Because for any x, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 10 possibilities. If y is 0, that will give you product 0, na? 0 into 0, 1 into 0, 2 into 0, 3 into 0, 4 into 0, up to 9 into 0. That itself is 10 possibilities. Then for any y, 0 to 9, any y, x can be 0, so that 0 into 0, 0 into 1, all that are 0. 10 plus 10, but remember one thing, in this also 0, 0, here also taking x as 0, taking y as 0, taking y as 0, taking x as 0, both are not different, that is same itself. मतलब ये 10 plus 10 possibility में 1 possibility कम करना पड़ेगा. That is counted twice, that is why. So 19 possibilities only for the product to be 0. Are you all understanding that? Exactly, Ranjita, that was my mistake. And 9 into 0, yes, Sugyani, all digits into 0 possibilities are there. So 0 का 19 possibilities है. 0 का 19 possibilities है. बाकी सारा cases okay है. But 0 only have that problem. So that means 19 plus 1, 20, 22, 24, 27, 29, 33, 35, 39, 42 possibilities totally should be there. I don't know the answer options. Answer option mein 42 hai ya nahi, please mention in the chat. Anyone remember? Now actually if you think that you will get confused and you will miss some digits, another way of doing this question is you can list out x and y ka kya kya possibilities hai. X and y, what all are possible, think about it. Similar, according to that, think x into y kya kya possible hai. X and y, itna possibilities initially hai na, but many of these possibilities will be deleted. This itna possibilities means 0, 0 up to 9, 9, there are 100 possibilities initially. x0, y0, x0, y1 up to x9, y9. That is 0, 0 to 99. The first 100 numbers from 0 to 99 we can say. But among this, x into y, 0, 0 hai to x into y, 0 into 0, 0 hoga. Is that an acceptable ATM pin? Uske baad fourth digit 0 hona chahiye. That we are not worrying at all. That is anyway 0. We are only mentioning about the first 3 digits. Fourth digit by default 0 hai. That is not what I am saying at all. This 0 is the third digit. So 0 into 0, it is an acceptable pin na. 0 1 into 0 into 1. So 0 hona chahiye. Because question says x, y, x into y should be the third digit. So x and y are the possibilities listed here. So x into y लिख के चेक करना है. 0 into 2 0 ओके है, 0 into 3 0 ओके है, 0 0 0 0. Yeah, in the previous method also now you will understand why I told 10 plus 10 minus 1. So all these are acceptable pin na. So first row all 10 possibilities are acceptable. First row में all 10 possibilities are acceptable. Second row में 1 into 0 0 है, 1 into 1 1 है, 1 into 2 2 है, 1 into 3 3 है, up to 1 into 9 9 है. All are acceptable ना. Acceptable है क्योंकि third digit is just a digit. Third digit में एक 2 digit आया तो that is not acceptable. Other than that all are acceptable, right? Because look at that, you will understand that better in the third row. 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5 10. That cannot be the third digit na. Are you understanding? That cannot be the third digit. Similarly 2 into 6 12, not acceptable. Now none of these will be acceptable because all those products are not single digit, they are double digits. That is why third row में first 5 possibilities only acceptable. अभी fourth row में 3 into 0 okay, 3 into 1 3 okay, 3 into 2 6 okay, 3 into 3 9 okay, 3 into 4 onwards not okay. That means 4 possibility only in that row. Now fifth row, think about it. Fifth row 4 into 0 okay, 4 into 1 okay, 4 into 2 8 okay, 4 into 3 onwards not okay. 2 digit number. So only 3 possibilities. Now look at it. 5 into 0, 5 into 1 okay, all the rest are not okay. 2 possibility. Sixth row 6 into 0, 6 into 1 okay, all the rest are not okay. 2 possibility. Here also 2 possibility. Here also 2 possibility. Here also 2 possibility. All the rest are deleted. Are you understanding? Now add all these possibilities, then you will get the answer. This is a second perspective. Did you all understood the 2 perspectives? 10 plus 10 20 25 29 32 34 36 38 40 42. Same answer itself. 42 should be the answer if this is the question. If there is any change in the question, that may change the answer also. But multiple students have sent this as a question, so I think question is right. Okay, Amit, all of you clear? Please respond. If so, this was another question. This was a question. Physical science students, please mention. This was the question now. Venn diagram question. Because every paper had a Venn diagram question. Students have sent me questions, but they haven't mentioned which subject aptitude it is. So this one I have received all earlier itself, but I was not sure whether it is of the physical science. So students are confirming this is the physical science question. Okay, then all of you try it. Yeah, answer options we don't remember. When the original question paper comes, we can cross check, but analyze it. We are learning things, so analyze it. I'll give you almost 2 minutes. You cannot mention an answer, but if you want, you can mention what is the connection between these objects. All graduates, are they players, or some graduates are players, or how it is. No graduates are players, how it is. Establish the connection first, and if you want, you can post that also in the chat. And after that, I will start explaining. All of you try. Ranjita, options students haven't sent, that is why I told you make a try, because options are images na, so students don't remember. Okay, many of you posted the connection. Let's see. So among these four objects, these are the connections you can establish. Please check it. Yes, we need to form a Venn diagram. Appropriate representation according to the Venn diagram. So I will show the Venn diagram. So graduates means people who have graduated. Some graduates are players only, we can say, na? All the graduates are not players. So some graduates are players. That means graduate set and player set should have an intersection. Graduate and players के बीच में एक intersection होना चाहिए, and this is how to represent that. Some graduates are male footballers also. Some graduates are male footballers. And some graduates are female cricketers also. We are connecting all the four objects with each other. Graduate players, graduate footballers, graduates cricketers, likewise players footballers, players cricketers, likewise footballers cricketers, all should be connected. So some graduates are female cricketers, but all female cricketers are players, na? Because cricketer is a player, so all female cricketers are players, and all male footballers are also players. Similarly, no male footballers are female cricketers, na? Because that are two different categories. So all these satisfying Venn diagram only we can form. So all these satisfying Venn diagram means, yeah, in these kinds of question, one thing you can do is you have to think about the common things. फीमेल क्रिकेटर्स, मेल फुटबॉलर्स दोनों प्लेयर सेट के अंदर है ना, और दोनों के बीच में कोई इंटरसेक्शन भी नहीं होना चाहिए. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी इंटरसेक्शन बिटवीन मेल फुटबॉलर्स एंड फीमेल क्रिकेटर्स, बट बोथ दो सेट शुड बी इनसाइड अ सुपर सेट प्लेयर्स. सो इफ आई ड्रॉ दिस एज द सुपर सेट प्लेयर्स, मेल क्रिकेटर्स एंड फीमेल, मेल फुटबॉलर्स एंड फीमेल क्रिकेटर्स दोनों should be disjoint set. No x or y is represented like this, na? So if this is female cricketers and this is male footballers and this is players, this much is okay. Now the only thing is we have to include graduates also. Graduates, all graduates are not players, but some should be female cricketers, some should be male footballers, and some should be players. So something like this should be the answer. Original question paper, as I haven't seen, I don't know whether the options were in terms of circles or rectangles or triangles. That does not make any difference. But the idea should be something like this. Maybe this circle can be down also, but it should have only intersection between female cricketers, sorry, graduates and female cricketers, graduates and male footballers. It should not be completely inside. That is wrong. Graduates should not be completely inside players also. That is also wrong. Here all the conditions are satisfied. Is this clear or not? Please respond. When the original question paper comes, whichever options of this form, yeah, when the original question paper comes, I will schedule separate sessions. So stay tuned for the upcoming classes. You can search General Aptitude with Christy Varghese, the playlist of mine, the upcoming free classes. Daily at 11 a.m., daily at 5 p.m. I am taking free classes. So check out for GATE, for CSIR. For multiple exams, we are currently running parallel classes. So yeah, students, please tell me, have you seen such a question in your question paper, physical science paper? And please mention whether it is same question or not, or whether there is any change. One of the students has sent me this question, but he was not sure whether it is the original question. So please help me out whether this is the question or whether this is the meaning of the question. That is what I am asking. A question which means like this, was it there in the physical science part A section or not? And those of you are attending this session live, please do hit the like button. That will help more people to attend this session, and do share this video to maximum people. Okay, Rajput, this was the question now. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Kaur also, Sugyani also. Okay, so we will discuss. Height of a tree is 1 meter. Height of a tree is 1 meter. If the height increases 10% every 3 months, so 1 meter every 3 months 10%. So either you can use mental math or you can use compound interest formula also. Both are fine. I will show you with both ways. So that means 1 meter, for convenience 1 meter ko main 100 centimeter le raha hai to avoid the fraction part. Okay, all of you try it. I didn't give time to try na. Try it please fast. all of you? Yes, Rajput, earth science and physical science were sharing the same part A paper as their time slot was the same. Yeah, earth science students also who are here, you can mention also the question you remember. Any questions you remember, please post in the live chat, then we can discuss more questions in this session. Khatun, life science paper analysis, I already have taken 2 sessions. Please check out the previous sessions of mine. Life science, mathematical science, already 2 sessions. Now, once the original question paper CSIR publishes, separate discussions will happen. In the plus platform also, in free platform also, I have discussed already. So, all of you complete the try. I have taken many sessions on speed matrix. That session will be very helpful for doing this question also. Because as you know, a calculator were not allowed for any of the subjects this time. So mental math importance were more. So I will explain this. Height of a tree is 1 meter. 1 meter ko main 100 centimeter assume kar raha hai. I am considering like that. If the height increases 10% every 3 months. So first 3 months में 100 का 10% increase होके 110 हो रहा है. 110. Next 3 months ये 110 का 10% increase करना है. Compounding है. Compound interest जैसा. 100 का नहीं, 110 का 10%. 110 का 10% कितना है? 11 है. Speed matrix, those of you, day before yesterday, 2 days back, I have taken a session on speed matrix at 11 o'clock. So, virtual calculator was not allowed on TRO. So, 10% is 11 because 110 ka 10% means shift a decimal to the left. Very simple. 121 ho gaya. Now, next day, this is after 3 months. This is after 3 plus 3, 6 months. Now, 3 more months, 9 months later, 121 का 10% that is 12.1 added. 12.1 added means 121 plus 12.1, 133.1. This is 9 months. This is 0th month. This is 3rd month. This is 6th month. This is 9th month. 12 months are there in an year now. So one more 3 months. 12th month. 133.1 ka 10%, that is 13.31. Shifting 1 decimal to the left. That is 146.41 will be the final answer. Whichever option. Approximately ask kiya to 146 approximately. Exactly 146.41 in centimeter. But as it is in meter, most probably options also will be in meter. So 1.4641 exactly, or 1.46 meter. Very good question, na? Easy question. And once you understood this logically, using this formula is also not wrong. Yeah, the problem is we just by heart this formula but don't know where all to use it. We think that only if in investment, principal, time period, rate of interest, in that scenarios only we can use it. Nothing like that. This is actually a growth percentage formula only. In compound interest that is useful more. That is why we are learning it as a formula there. इसमें substitute किया तो भी problem नहीं है. Principal क्या है? 100 centimeter. Which it is growing is 10%. Time period 4 time periods है. Because 3 months का 4 cycles, 4 time intervals are there. So that is equal to the final amount. So calculate it this way, but if calculator is not provided, this will also take time. That is why I told you mental math way is better. So anyway, 100 plus 10, 110 by 100. That is 11 by 10 raised to 4. So 11 raised to 4, that is 121 square, 14641 divided by 10,000. 0 cancels, 1.4641 itself you will get. Calculate it and check, you will get exact same thing itself. But here also, if you don't know mental math, this also will be time consuming. That is why I told you this will be better. Thus, if you don't know how to analyze like this, check out my previous lectures on monetary problem, check out my previous lectures on percentage mental arithmetic, check out my speed matrix classes also. We have discussed these kinds of increment idea many times. I hope all of you are clear. Please respond how 1.4641. Once again, these are wordings students have sent. Exact question can be little different, but values you people have confirmed this itself was the values, so we can assume it is the same question. And there was some, okay, was there a question something like this? Exact wording will be totally different. Students only told me that there is a question that 1 to 25 numbers are there. We need to find 4 or 6 divisibility. So roughly I just have written like this. Was this the same idea itself in the question paper or not? Please confirm in the chat. And if so, please try it. 2 minutes to try, all of you. Once again, I am telling, if anyone remember any more question, please post it in the chat. Then I will discuss it live itself. Earth science students also, physical science students also. Other stream paper analysis we have already conducted except chemical science. So Amit got an answer. All of you try. Okay, so I'll explain. Among the natural numbers from 1 to 25, you are choosing probability that choosing a natural number which is divisible by 4 or 6. So probability का basic definition क्या है? Required outcome divided by total outcome है ना? नहीं है तो successful events divided by successful events कितना है divided by total events कितना है? That is simply speaking required number by total number. So total number 1 to 25 में natural numbers 25 है ना, उसमें यह कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करने वाला 4 और 6 से डिविजिबल होने वाला नंबर्स क्या क्या है? Let us list it out. That will not be many. 4 will be such a number divisible by 4. और है and नहीं और है तो 4 and 6 का कॉमन मल्टीपल को चूज करना पड़ेगा. That will be only 12 and 24. But this is or means 4 का भी मल्टीपल चाहिए, 6 का भी चाहिए. 4, 6, 8, 12. Or list it out separately and delete the common ones, whichever way. So 12. Then 16, 18, 20, 24. So these are the 8 possibilities. Successful outcome is 8 out of total 25 outcome. So 8 by 25 should be the correct answer. Yes, many of you got the same answer itself. All of you clear? That is how to do that question. And this one again, please confirm, was this question there in your question paper? Physical science and earth science question paper. If so, try it. Starting the timer. Try it, all of you. Some of you got it. This question actually have shown a flashcard earlier before the exam itself, where the answer of this was directly written there. Not life science, Rajput. Physical science and earth science shared the same question paper this time. Okay, 1350 also was there in the options. Okay, options, if there's a difference, I don't know. Anyway, among this option, which is a correct answer, I will tell you. Again, if the options are mainly with in respect to 12 something, between 12 and 13 or 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock, how many, which all times right angle is formed? As I have told before exam itself, this flashcard I have explained. Between 12 to 1, 90 degree obtain करने वाला two cases है, 12:16 something, 12:14 and something. This you can learn as a list itself. From 0 you can start. 65 and 5/11 minutes later, a particular time is repeated all the time. 90 degree ho, या 0 degree ho, या 180 degree ho, 65 and 5/11. 65 5/11 minutes means 1 hour 5 and 5/11 minutes. That is also a theory I have discussed earlier. 65 and 5/11 minutes later, any particular time repeats. But 90 degree, two series are there. That means minute hand before our hand case, minute hand after our hand case, both are there. Like 3 to 4 के बीच में ऐसा भी हो सकता है, after some time ऐसा भी हो सकता है. That is why two set of times are there between any two times. So either if you know directly that this is the time, that way you can do. Otherwise, what is the shortcut way? Or if you don't know that what is the way, that is using this formula I have explained many times. Angle between our hand and minute hand. This is one of the very few formula I ask students to by heart. If you know this formula, you can do many questions with it. That is why I tell to by heart. Otherwise, normally my style of teaching is to ask students to learn minimum formula but concentrate more on the concept behind. Here also you can focus on the concept behind, but now explaining the concept behind this formula, how it was derived, that will take a lot of time. That we will do on a later class or a previous class where I have explained, you can check. So anyway, if you know that, that way also you can derive. Angle between our hand and minute hand is half into modulus of 60h minus 11m, where h is our hand value, m is minute hand value. Like if all options are in like 12 something, 12 o'clock means 12 o'clock and 0 o'clock are same. That is one thing you should understand. Because 12 and 0 is same, because clock 0 to 12, that means after 12 it will again start. It is like base 12 number system idea itself. So in base 12 number system, 0 and 12 means the same. So what I am saying is h को 12 लेना एक possibility है, लेकिन उससे भी easy है h को 0 assume करना, because 0 hour and 12 hour is same. Midnight 12 o'clock we write 0 0 0 0 na, that is 12 o'clock and 0 o'clock are same. 12:15 we write 0 0 1 5 if it is midnight. AM PM difference is there, but here AM PM is not needed. Only after 12 among the options, if it is in terms of 12, we only want that. So anyway, 60h minus 11m, this minute hand value is what you need to find. But theta is 90 degree we know now, because question already said we need right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. Now simplify this. Cross multiply kiya to 180 equal to 0 minus 11 minus 11m. Minus 11m modulus is also 11m. That is 11m equal to 180. M is equal to 180 by 11. 180 by 11, when you cancel, you will get 1, 6, 4, remainder 4 by 11. 16 and 4 by 11 minutes. 4 by 11 is less than half. So it is more closer to 16 only, not 17. So 12, 16 will be the approximate value. Is it clear or not, all of you? Respond please. If that is clear, this question, I think there is some problem or some mistake in the question. Those of you remember, please correct. Was this the exact question? Yeah, this many questions only I have received from students. If you remember any more questions, I will discuss that, mention it. And try this question if it is correct. If it is not correct, please mention what is the correction we need to do. Okay, Sugyani. Okay, all of you try anyway. If it is not the same question, we will skip it, but try it anyway. Okay, so actually this question I have a doubt whether this is the original question itself. If this is the original question, what they are trying to ask is, there is a cross section of a cylinder, only the cross section we need to find, that is the circular cross section. A square is cut out of it. What is the maximum area that you can cut out of this circle? That means question is asking square area to the total circle area, how much percentage it is. Actually, two versions of this question people have sent. I was confused whether it is the same question or different question. So if it is different question, that will change the answer. But for this question, according to what the question says, what is the answer, I will tell you. So this square area out of total circle area into 100 is what you need to find. So I will just assume, taking example method you can take. Let the diameter of the circle be 2 units, or you can use A units. In the question whether it was given A units or not, I don't know. But that is not necessary to find anyway, because it's a comparison question only. So if I take 2 as an example, diameter भी 2 है, ये circle maximum possible square cut करने के लिए, this should be the square we need to consider. So then square area will be, diagonal is 2, so this diagonal is also 2. Half diagonal one's diagonal square, this is also a formula for square area, because for any parallelogram, half diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 is also area. Square है तो दोनों diagonal equal है, so diagonal square लिख सकता है. So that is half into 2 square, that is 2 will be the area of this square. Then या सर्कल का एरिया क्या होगा, सर्कल का डायमीटर 2 है ना, सो रेडियस 1 है, रेडियस 1 है तो पाई 1 स्क्वायर होगा एरिया, दैट इज पाई. That means 2 is the area of the circle, pi is the area of the, 2 is the area of the square, pi is the area of the circle. 2 by pi into 100 is the percentage we need to find. Square area out of total area into 100. That is approximately 2 by 22 by 7. Pi is approximately 22 by 7 into 100. 7 goes to the top. This is 11. 700 by 11. 700 by 11, when you cancel, you will get 6. $64 approximately. 60, 70 and 40. 40 will have 3 and some 3.5 something. Approximately 64%. Whether there was an option 64%, whether it is exact question also we don't know. So anyway, this is the answer. Did you all understood this? Please respond. And Sugyani posted a question. Let me check. Ekta, students arranged in 3 rows, boys, girls, seat alternative, and boys and are seated extreme ends, then number of students. All of you, can you try that in the live chat what Sugyani have posted? Let me see. All of you can try pose questions like this which you remember. We will discuss that in the live session itself. If questions you are sending, any number of questions we can discuss in the class. So okay, that kind of a question was there, Rajput. Okay, first I will try that Sugyani sent question. Students arranged in 3 rows. Boys and girls. Let me see something similar to this. Someone have sent that was only half only. Let me see whether it is the same question. In a class, girls and boys sitting in 3 rows. Yeah, I think this is the same question. In a row, boys and girls are sitting alternatively. I will read it out. Another version of the same question I received. In a class, girls and boys are sitting in 3 rows. In a row, boys and girls are sitting alternatively in every row, and at the end of lines, boys are sitting. Then how many total students are there in the class? End, boys should be sitting. 3 rows should be there. Okay. So in ends, boys only should be sitting. So boy, 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 boy. And I think what should be, the question is asking, is it minimum number? Was it, Ranjita? If you remember, you send it, we will discuss. Options were 24, 27, 36, 30. So among the 4 options, which is correct, that is, I think, what they have asked. So there are, according to this condition, there are many possibilities. So boy, 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 if you fix in the center, then girl here, girl here, girl here, girl here, girl here, girl here. So one possibility according to this 15. 15 not there in the answer option means we have to insert more boys and girls. More boys and girls means here you can insert girl, boy, one more pair, girl, boy, girl, boy. That is 6 more. Yeah, 15 will be possible, 21 will be possible, 21 is also not there, 27 is also okay, 27 is not there in the answer option, so 27 should be the answer. I don't know whether there is any other condition in the question. If this is the condition, 27 is the possible option among the 4. Whether it is asked minimum or among the 4, which is the correct answer, I don't know. Anyway, that is the idea of that question. Hope it is clear. Any other question, anyone remember? Yeah, can you please tell me, one student have sent me such a question. I think the question was to count the number of rectangle. Was there such a question to count the number of rectangles or square or anything? Yes, Sugyani, first and last position we have fixed boys, na? In a row, na? Leftmost end boys, rightmost end boy. That was already satisfied, na? And then alternatively means girl should be here, girl should be here, girl should be here. If there is no other condition, this is also a possibility. 3, 3, 3, 9. But 9 is not there in the options. So what, again, I am just guessing. What they may have asked meant is, among the 4 possibilities, which is possible, maybe that is the question. Or maybe one extra condition is there, that will change the answer also. So according to what you people have sent, I am telling. So Rajput have posted a question. Rajput, this also was there in the physical science and earth science paper, na? 40 students in one class, they divided into 2 rows, girls and boys. How many probability? Probability, I think that is not complete, na? I haven't received a similar question, otherwise I could have tried to fill it up. Okay, anyway. Okay, Rajput. Okay, don't worry. If you remember any more questions, send it. Otherwise, I think hopefully very soon CSIR will publish the official question paper. At that time, I will give you more sessions like this. And informing all of you, the complete course have started the new version. Complete course for General Aptitude section for CSIR NET exam. This is the details of the complete course. By taking Unacademy Plus subscription, you can thank you, Amit. Ilma, check out my lectures, General Aptitude by Christy Varghese. New students, you can search General Aptitude by Christy Varghese, the playlist where I have given more than 200 YouTube live sessions. And daily at 11 o'clock and 5 o'clock I take free classes. You can check out that also. Okay, so this is the, or if you want to take Unacademy Plus subscription, you can learn more systematically, more comprehensive courses you can access by a single subscription of Unacademy Plus. You can access this complete course which started 2 days back. Only 2 lectures are completed. So you can take Plus subscription and watch the recording and attend the upcoming session live itself. Timing 8:30 AM if you want to attend it live. If you want to attend recording anytime, you can attend it. And another course, tomorrow 2 PM onwards, another course is starting. That is practice course. Almost 30 lectures are there in that practice course. Every topic of CSIR NET Part A, detailed practice questions discussion will be done in that. And it is useful for GATE exam also because it is new questions which are useful for both the exams we are discussing. So that is okay, Rajput, that question is not, I am not able to make up the full question, Rajput. That is why I didn't discuss that. If you remember the complete question, send me. In the upcoming session, we will discuss that. So these 2 courses are currently running. You can take Unacademy Plus subscription and access both the courses. And how to take Plus subscription, you can use the referral code CC10 and access all educators, all courses by taking one single subscription. All CSIR NET educator category educators courses you can access by a single subscription itself. And that is about Plus subscription. The good thing about Plus subscription, it is more systematic. Your doubts will be covered in a more systematic way, and there will be regular classes. That regularity itself is a big advantage, that these are the questions of other subjects. We have discussed this also earlier. You can check it out. And yeah, this time Venn diagram questions were there in all papers. This is more details of the complete course. These are some of the other course you can watch as recording, and this is how you can take Unacademy Plus subscription with maximum discount. Use the referral code CC10 or CC10 live, which will give you maximum discount for taking Unacademy Plus subscription. So the biostatistics separately I haven't taken classes, but statistics lectures I have explained many of the things that you need. Separate biostatistics के लिए separate lectures नहीं दिया है, and if possible in the future we will plan for that. And these are some of the other courses I have launched, and all these you can access by a single subscription. GATE complete course, DBT course, Vedic math course, CSIR NET PYQ practice courses, etc. By single subscription you can access. So make use of this. And as I told, daily at 11 o'clock, 5 p.m. these are the timing I take free classes, and 8:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. I take plus courses also. Some days 11 o'clock, some days 5 p.m. is the free classes. So you can be part of these free classes and plus platform courses as per your wish. So that's it. If there is no other doubts, we can conclude. If rectangle question, anyone remember what was that rectangle question? Sugyani, do you remember? One of the students sent me the image something like this. I'm not sure whether the image is same only, because multiple students were giving multiple images for this question. That is why I'm not taking, because I should not confuse you people whether you have seen the same image or not. Is it the same question or something else? Or we will wait for the original question paper, that is better than to create confusion. So anyway, if there is no other doubt, let's conclude. And anyone who is searching for answer key of physical science paper, do share this video to them, and do like this video if you felt this session was useful. Other subjects paper analysis already done. Check it out also in this channel and in my channel also. So you can check it out. So that's it. Tomorrow 8:30 a.m., 11 o'clock, 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. classes will be there. Is there any other doubts? Anyone? Any other doubts? Anyone? Yeah, this time exam actually many of the questions were concept repetition. Same question repetition was less, but concept repetition many questions were there. So concept repetition questions, we have discussed those concepts a lot. Even exam ke one day before, 2 days before, I have taken 2 sessions. One session was mock test. From that mock test itself, 1 or 2 subjects got 2 or 3 questions, same type itself. And another was revision series. 3 lectures of revision I have conducted. From that revision topics, maximum questions actually came. What I am saying is, check out my previous lectures. You can prepare a lot for the upcoming exam by just following my previous free classes. But plus courses, the advantage, it is more systematic. So if you have limited time to sort out which lectures to attend and all, attend my current plus course. You will be guided in a more systematic fashion, so that in limited time you can learn more. I am telling this to those people who are preparing for upcoming December CSIR exam and GATE 2023 exam. So that's it. And those who are preparing, waiting for your results for the coming exam, all the best. And decide now whether you are preparing, whether you need to prepare for December exam, or this exam you are 100% confident to clear, means you can think about what next. You can think about it like job search, or you are already doing job, whether you want to search for research. Some people already have decided for research. So research opportunities you can start searching. After exam, you know exactly how you have done or what should be your future plan. And some people already have decided now GATE exam also you need to prepare well. So till GATE exam you will appear for the upcoming CSIR NET exam also. Those people, start your preparation right now, or start your strategy how you are going to use the remaining 4 months. CSIR, as per the announcement of CSIR, they are planning to conduct one more exam on December. Whether it will happen on December or not, we don't know. But we can just hope it will happen on December. So you have about 4 months. So make use of that 4 months completely and start preparing for that exam. So that's it. Let's conclude. Thank you all of you for attending this session. Have a good day. See you all in the next class. Take care. Have a good night also. Bye-bye.